In the highlands of the Rift Valley and the fertile lands of Nyanza lies the story of two communities deeply intertwined, the Kipsigis and the Abagusii. Though they come from distinct traditions, their histories are connected by shared ancestry, culture, and the land they call home. The Kipsigis, one of the largest subgroups of the Kalenjin people, originally consisted of two main clans, Kipsigis and Kipsigis. Over time, many other clans joined the Kipsigis, especially from the Kisii and Ojek communities. This blending of peoples created a rich cultural tapestry that defines the Kipsigis today. For example, the Kapbecherek clan connects to the Kapbecherek clan, while Boguserek links to the Abagusero. Komosiik, a prominent clan in Belgut and Buret, traces its roots to the Kisii Abagusii clan. These examples show how the Kipsigis and Kisii share more than just borders. They share bloodlines and traditions. Even place names across Kipsigis land reflect this deep connection. Names like Nyangores, Kabianga, and Tengicha are rooted in Kisii heritage. These areas, located between the Rift Valley and Nyanza regions, are home to clans that trace their origins to Kisii territories, like Borabu, Nyarabari, and Kitutu. The Kipsigis language itself carries traces of this shared heritage, with Kisii words blending seamlessly into daily speech. This integration is a testament to the unity between the two communities. Beyond language and place names, the bond between the Kipsigis and Kisii is familial. The Kipsigis refer to the Kisii as Kamama, meaning uncles, a term that reflects respect and kinship. Clans like Mbasik and Ababasi or Komosiik and Abagusii even consider themselves brothers, honoring their shared ancestry. Within Kipsigis land, the clans are organized into four main subtribes, Kipkikek, Kasanet, Kebeni, and Gitunyo. Many of the clans with Kisii origins are found in regions like Bomet East, Chepalungu, Belgut, and Sotik, forming a cultural bridge between the Rift Valley and Nyanza. The story of the Kipsigis and Abagusii is a powerful reminder of how history can bring people together. From shared place names to familial ties, these two communities represent the strength and beauty of diversity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more